Yoga has been a very powerful tool in my life. It helps me achieve perfect balance in my personal life, in my professional life, and between these two. And yoga has touched every aspect of my personality, be it physical, mental, or emotional. The asanas have helped me gain more strength, flexibility, and agility. The asanas have helped me get over my physical inabilities and made me feel more confident. And the mental empowering practices and relaxation practices has calmed down my mind and helped me understand myself, the situation, the people around better. And this helps me a lot in making decisions, important decisions, be it professional or personal. And the emotional well-being we get out of all these empowerment, be it mental or physical, is just amazing.